Okay, we're going to now look at the perimeter of a sector, remembering the perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So for this sector, if we add up this length plus this length plus the length of the curvy bit, that will give us the distance around the outside. There is a formula for the perimeter of a sector. If we look at just, for example, this curvy bit here, it's part of a circle. What is the formula for the circumference of a circle? There's two formulas. I'm, however, going to use this one because in the case of a sector, I'm always given the radius. So I'll use this. That's if I had a full circle, but I don't have a full circle. I have part of a circle. So for the curvy bit, if I do how much of the circle over 360 of a full circle and times that by 2 pi r, that will give me the distance of this curved section here. To that, I would add on one radius and then the second radius to get the distance around the outside. This is explanation of how they come up with this formula. So the perimeter is my two radiuses, which I mentioned here, plus theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This bit of the formula is our curved section of our sector. So let's look at this example here. The perimeter is equal to 2 times 3, because our radius is 3, plus 80 over 360, because I have got an 80 degree sector, times by 2, times by pi, times by 3, remembering my radius is 3. If I put all of that into my calculator, the perimeter is approximately 10.189 blah 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 centimetres, and if we're asked to do that to one decimal point, we would say that was 10.2 centimetres, because for one decimal point, there's my one decimal point. I look at the number afterwards, it's an 8, which is bigger than 5, so this 1 has to move up 1 to a 2. So for the perimeter of a sector, we need to work out how much of a circle we have and find the distance of the curvy bit, if you like, using how much of a circle we have, and then we add on the length of the two radiuses, and that gives us our total perimeter of our sector.